time efficiency. They say you have your prime time, so you got to uncover your prime time. For me, 4 a.m. I work like a machine. 3 p.m. it's usually nap time. So at night, if I was to be like orchestrating detailed oriented things, not my thing. Creating, or so you find your prime time. It's individual. Then there's also the prime time of the world. And then you find when is most likely your downtime. So that's for time efficiency. And there's other aspects of this system. Same applies in pickup. You're not only and always going to proceed the same way. So you got to find what are some of your prime times and capitalize on that. The world's prime time, like I've noticed, like let's say 6 p.m. on a Friday, most people have somewhere they're going to, and they're transitioning, probably like, oh, finally it's done. At the exception of happy hour places, at least where I live, it's not prime time to expect extended interaction for the most part. But so you work with your own prime time. So sometimes guys go, oh, I don't feel it. No, it's because you're cycling. You're in a different cycle. So right there, the arrival for me was like aggressive. Here, gotta set my territory. Right now, I'm looking forward to a power nap since the hours are being extended.
Yeah.
So my process right now of pickup would be just surrender. And something would happen. Okay, modes. But if I detect those shifts and I don't understand what they mean, and I start to assume there's a problem, that's the beginning of the end. So that's mainly for you.
All right.
That
Rhythm.
one passed by, I didn't say anything. Didn't say anything because it didn't occur. If I start to go, what man is this? If really I want, I could always go. Catch up, pass her open, or work with the next one. But for me to stay and to start to distress myself about it, that's a huge mistake.
It's one of the pitfalls.
Figure it out for yourself. No one can do it for you.
Book reading while you walk. The new Harry Potter.
You know, it's so cool going out in field now. After about 2.5 years, like my self-talk has changed like completely. It's almost like I hear like your voice or Rash's voice. What? Yeah.
It's also the nature of the candidate in the situation. There's two that pass by, heavily engaged in the task. Then there's the two that are across the street. I feel more bubbliness from them.
Ah.
The same way, let's say it's a little chilly. You're at the sun. Oh, it's a little chilly. You're by a draft. Oh, that's not too comfortable. So to also know that sometimes you're not picking up, it's not something on your side, or you're not picking up dislike towards you. You're picking up, sensing that if it was food, that's not the best tasting food. So all those elements in place make a difference.